Okay, this is attempt number 4
Oh, he pooped.
at feeding the bird. Yes, he definitely pooped. Alright, so we got Cheerios soaking in water, and we got a hungry bird. So, let's do this real quick. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. We're not going to get it stuck on your beak this time. Come on, buddy. Come on. Open your mouth. There you go. There you go. Good.
I think he's choking.
No, he's not choking. He's fine. Relax.
Baby.
Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. No.
Don't overfeed him.
I'm just going to give him 3. Come on. One more. One more. One more. No? Just 2? Alright. No? Okay. Until next time.